Hey there, crafty friend. Suzanne here in the studio today with a different kind of video. It has been a busy few weeks from the middle of February to the middle of March, so I haven't really done a lot of scrapbooking. I have been doing a couple of other things, and one of those is purging for an upcoming craft sale. And we can talk about that maybe more a little bit as we go along. And then the other thing I've been doing is in the process of doing that, I noticed that I'm up to 12 of these Lisa bags that have various kits in them. This is what I store. If I make a counterfeit kit in it, this is what I store it in. And sometimes I use these to carry workshops and other things, to crops or when I'm going to see my sister. So I'm up to 12 of those, so I thought it might be fun to go through, see what I have, see if there are any kits I need to break down, and then I can maybe get a little bit of mojo back in the process just by looking at all the pretty supplies. So here is the first one, and here we have, this is a Sweet Memories Scrapbooking Workshop by Close to My Heart. Okay, I think I have worked with, yes, see, here I've actually done the workshop. And then I have another workshop from Chris's Creative Life. She's a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demo former maker. And so I have another paper pack and sticker sheet and all my leftovers here. So I want to go ahead and create with this. And the reason I leave this all together is because I want to make sure my pages don't turn out too much like the ones that were already in the workshop. And so, okay, so that is still something I'm definitely interested in keeping, so I'm going to set that aside. Next up, okay, this is actually, it just looks like it was a Echo Park kit from March of 2023. So this is 2 years old. It's here, there, and everywhere. So I've got some directions for some cards, but you can see they give you the full line. I've got 2 washi, I've got enamel dots and chipboard, 6x6, die cuts, brads, and then all of the pretty paper. So this is really just an oversized collection. I will use this for scrapbooking first and then for card making. So this could really just be, if it weren't so bulky, it would just go in with my scrapbooking themed papers. Summer probably. Yes, and that's actually Cartabella, but it is from the Echo Park Kit Club. I limited myself to 12 of these Lisa bags, thinking I should only have 1 kit per month in process, you know, and leftovers, knowing that sometimes I go back to kits or whatever. So that's kind of that Dana K. White's container. You know, you're limiting yourself by the size of the container. So here is the Dear Isabella. This was a kit I put together for one of the counterfeit kit months, and I did play with it, but I still have quite a bit of this left. I'm not sure I want any more scrapbook layouts out of this, so I will probably break this down. So it had a good run, but I'm kind of ready to move on. And a lot of these, just for you, thanks, obviously make good card fronts. So that is probably what will happen with this. So I may move this to a different place and file it with the card kits after I break down some of it back into my scrapbooking stash. All right, here we seem to have a paper pad. This is Park Lane's Sonoma, and I had taken this to my sister's once, And I've also got, yes, it looks like it's got some other things in here with it. And we broke this down and we were going to start working on this. I think we didn't get much done with it though, I don't believe. Yes. Oh, this is what we did. Yeah, we broke it down into, ignore the close to my heart stickers on here. We broke it down into sort of which would work together. We were going to do the 4x4 series with it. So that's what we've done here. Okay, so that's something. Maybe I could add this paper pack to my monthly collection obsession since I'm working on paper pads this year. So that's still a keeper. What's this one? Oh, this is very old. This is an old Club SEI from August of 2013. Oh my word, look at this. We've got 4x6 paper pad, they called it. This looks like it makes a creative memories journal. So it looks like it's pocket pages? Pocket pages and layouts? Okay, so this should be easy to put together, but then I've thrown some other things in here that I thought the color scheme were the same. Here's some goldenrod 1 canoe 2 die cuts that were left over. And then here is the rest of that. And a pre-cut layout kit for Noteworthy. So that's going to make 4 pages. There are the contents on the back. Oops, sorry for that glare. Okay, so this would make a nice thing to take on the road with me sometime. Alrighty, that should be high on my priority list because I really like to get through paper before it's 10 years old in my studio. So there's that one. Next up, okay, here is a kit I put together sometime in 2024. It was a counterfeit kit. And you can see here I've done embellishments in these little 4x6 Totally Tiffany, sort of divvied up by color. We've got lots of thickers. Some Daydream. Yeah. So I don't think I've even played with this. I put it together, but I don't think I have even played with it. It's got lots of cool stuff in it. All right. Maybe for Collection Obsession 2026 will need to be the year of the neglected kit. What do you think? Okay, here. Now this looks like it's just another collection. This is, what do we have here? We have Simple Stories. Oh, I think, what do they call it when Simple Stories does their mega kits? There's a word for those. They call them something in particular. That looks like what this is. But then somebody added on with frames and die cut pieces and the paper and more die cuts. So there is a lot there. Simple Vintage Cottage Feel. So that's really just an oversized collection. Next up is this. Oh, this is something I got at last year's CK. Remember, this was what I considered the absolute bargain of the whole trip. It's the Fancy Pants class instructions and kits, the good old days. And I got all of this stuff for 12 bucks, I think it was. It says on there. And then here's all of these embellishments. So really, It's got class instructions, but really it's just an oversized collection as well. Here, this is an Echo Park May 2023 kit. Our Story Matters. So this is another one where it's all the goodies. So you get the Our Story Matters, the solids. Here is the collection kit with the sticker sheet. I wonder why they don't just go ahead and put the actual collection cover sheet in these, but they don't. Okay, lots of chipboard. You do get a lot in those kits. But I haven't touched this one yet, but it's definitely still a keeper. These are the colors I love. Okay, this one is a Hit Kit Club. Oh, aren't these pretty? Hello Weekend. Oh, this is very springy. I should get this out and work with it. Looks like I did double papers. And then the embellishments. Very, very fun. Yeah, that's great. Okay, this is the last one. This is also Hip Kit Club. And it looks like it's their Flourish. Oh, wait a second. No, there's two things in here. Oh, I'm over my container limit. Shame on me. Shame, shame, shame on me. Okay, I need to divvy these up. This one is Pink Fresh. It's a Hit Kit Club, I guess, but it's got some Pink Fresh in it. Let's pull it out and take a look, shall we? This is the May 2022 kit and extra paper. So we've got, oh, those butterflies are neat. We've got butterflies, together is best. Got some wood veneer. We've got Life Right Now from Pink Fresh. And then here are the papers. Some of these are Hit Kit Club. Well, they all are. Okay. Plus extra papers because I do like double papers. Bag this back up. This is really a good time for me to go remind myself of what I have. One, because I'm purging, but mostly what I'm purging are my last of line. So those are collections where I have worked with them. And what's left, even though it is paper and embellishments, is really not holding any spark anymore. So I'm going to let those go. And I think I purged about 10 or 11 of those. And then here is the final Hit Kit Club, which is the Flourish. Boy, they do give you lots of goodies, don't they? Look at this. Oh my word. Got wood veneer. Chipboard embellishments, chipboard many. Look at all of this. Okay. This must have been on sale. I doubt I would have got this otherwise. Oh, look. This is nice. You know what this would go with? Stampin' Up's new woven textures paper. That's cool. Okay, and then we've got lots of these. Oh my gosh, Build a Bloom pack, I guess. Chipboard mini frames and bits. Okay, so this is a lot. And I obviously need to find a place to put this because it's not going to be in a Lisa bag. Okay, that is it for today. As always, I appreciate your time and attention. Bye for a bit.